hope everybody is doing well, because I'm also fine. So it is the summary, guys, that you should know when it comes to simplifying, proving, evaluating, reducing. Just know, guys, this summary. Once you know this summary, you are good when it comes to trigonometry. So let me just tell you guys, this thing there, it's a Cartesian plane. All students take coffee, know this thing, and know this position. Do you see this position? Know how to form them. It's either you are using cheating method or you trim them. The only way for you to trim is for you to practice. So know this position. And this one, guys, are the identity that we have from grade 11 until upwards. And make sure, guys, you know these two identity, because in grade 12 they become complex, they become more of them. So these are the only two identity that you should know, and this one, it can form another two identity, meaning the total of all the identity that you should know so far, they are 4 of them. Do you see? All of these are the identity. Then coming from here, these are what you call core function. This one, core function identity. So the core function identity, guys, they only based on what? On 90 degrees. If we have sine 90 plus or minus x, all the time this thing, it will produce positive cos. Even if it's plus or it's minus, still it will produce positive cos. But now if it's cos 90 plus or minus x, cos, guys, will produce sine with different sign there. If there it's positive, it becomes negative. Then if it's negative, it becomes positive. Something like this there. If it's 90 plus, you will get the negative sign. Then if it's 90 negative, you will get positive sign. So please, guys, know the cofunction. So just only know these two things, that sine 90 all the time produce positive cos, but cos 90 will produce sine with different sign there. Do you see? Yeah. So these, guys, are the question that you have. They might say to you, simplify these things there. Simplify or reduce them. So for me to simplify, guys, such question like this, I need you to understand that we don't have this type of a position here. We don't have this type of a position. The only position that we have there, it's 180 minus theta. So it means here, guys, we've got a negative angle there, which is 180. So what I can do there, all the time, guys, if you say negative angle, please just add what? Add 360 here. You only add 360. Then you just keep everything the way it is. And by doing that, guys, when you are adding 360, you will end up getting a positive angle. Let me press for you this thing first. So negative, let me press negative 180 plus 360, you will end up getting positive there. Do you see? So now let me write this thing down. This thing now, it's sine theta plus 180. But now this thing, guys, I can rearrange. Start with the angle, then I go with the theta, meaning that I can start with the angle, then I go with the theta. The theta, guys, it's positive, even as well as the what? As the angle there. Both of them, they are positive. This, I press it, then I rearrange. So now I can see now this thing there, it's a position. This, it is the position. That position, guys, it is there on the third quadrant. It is here. And there it's only tan which is positive, meaning that that sign there will be negative. Then you just say sine, then you reduce that angle into the only theta there. Do you see? I hope, guys, this one there you understood this. Then coming from the next one, this one, it's already the position on the first quadrant. But, guys, on the first quadrant, all of them, they are positive, meaning this thing there is just positive. You reduce this angle to be only theta there. Just like this. Do you see? So now let's come for this one now. Then for this one there, it is on this quadrant, and here this position, it's only tan there which is positive, meaning that will produce positive tan, then reduce this angle to be theta. Do you see? Then for this one there are many ways that I can do for this one. This one there, what I can do, I can even tell you that this thing there, it's a position on the what, on the fourth quadrant, meaning there, that's where cos there, it's positive there. Then this there will be like this. Or another approach that you can do here, it is this one of when I say a negative angle, I just add 360 there, something like this. So here I can just add 360. By me adding that 360, I'll rearrange this thing now. Rearrange this thing to be like this, which is this thing there, it's still the position there on the what? On the fourth quadrant. The answer there will end up being the same as that one. Do you see? Yeah. So there are many ways, guys, that you can do this one. Straightforward. So come now and talk with this one. With this one, this position, I need you to be in front of me there. Even you guys, when you are practicing, I will advise you to have these in front of you so that you will know them. Then coming for this one, this thing there, it is on which quadrant? It is on the second quadrant. And here it's only sign which is positive, meaning that tan there, it's negative. In this position, tan, it's negative. Then you'll reduce that angle to become like this there. Do you see? Our angle, guys, it's angle theta. Do you see? Yeah. So coming now from this one now, you can't say that this thing, it is on the second quadrant. No, you can't say that, because there we got that negative angle there. So that negative angle there will add 360. Please, guys, just take a note that this is an angle, even as well as that theta, it's an angle. Do not get confused when I say here we reduce the angle. Do you see? So it's an angle and the angle theta. So angle there, I'll just add 360 to it, because I know that thing there, it's a number. And now when I am adding 360, I should get what? I should get positive there. Let's just add 360 there. You only add 360, guys, when you say what a negative angle. Meaning here, if I can add 360, that thing that I already calculated here, I'll get positive 180. Meaning this thing there, it's tan angle theta positive 180. And this now, it is the what? It is this position. It is this position. Because when I rearrange this thing, I'll start with that angle 180, then I'll come with the positive theta, which is this thing there. It is this position on the third quadrant. And on the third quadrant, guys, tan there, it's what? It's positive here. Here we got positive tan theta. Just like that then. Do you see? That is the final answer. Then coming from this one, this there, it's a position on the third quadrant here. And here, our tan there, it's what? Our sign there, it's negative there. It's only tan, which must be positive in this quadrant. Then you can reduce that angle theta there. So this one now, it is on which quadrant? It is on the second quadrant. It is here. And here it's only sign which is positive, meaning that cos there will just be negative, reduce the angle. Do you see? So now, let's go to this one. This one now, they look kind of difficult. Just like this one. Do you see this one here? We got a what? A negative angle, which is negative 360. I will still add 360, guys, for this one. And now you will see, the moment I add 360, I will only get this angle there. Let me just do this thing. This is what I have. So what I can do there, I can just add 360 here. Let me just add 360. So, and close those brackets. The moment, guys, you are adding those two things, you will get 0 there. Because everything there, they look the same but different sign. So all the time, if you see everything look the same but different sign, you will end up getting 0. In other words, if you got 0, it's something like they cancel those one, because that 0, guys, will disappear. And when they cancel, you are done reducing the angle. Straightforward then. Do you see? Then coming for this one there, when I say negative angle, I just add 360 there. Here, I just add 360. Let me add that 360 here. And now when I add this 360, I'll end up getting a what? A positive, the negative. Then here it will be positive 180. And now what I can do, guys, I can just rearrange this thing, starting by 180 minus by theta, which is all of this thing now. It describes a what? It describes a what? A position, which is that position there. It is on which quadrant? It is on the second quadrant. And on the second quadrant, it's only sign there which is positive there. Do you see this thing? So just like that then, do you see? So what I need you guys to understand is that all the time when you say a negative angle, you add 360. But now what about if you see a big angle like that one? Because that one that we don't have this position here. I didn't tell you about that, this position there. So if guys you have a big angle, you will minus that angle by 360. It's something like there you are minusing a what? A revolution there. But that I don't want to go deep, guys. What are those revolution? Because it's early for me to confuse you guys. So here is just you just oh no, you minus here, you minus 360. Then now you can just keep everything the way it is. So if there I can minus 360, what should I get then? Let me press this thing down on my calculator. Meaning this thing there, it's what? It's 2, it's 7 ish, guys. Sometimes I made a mistake when it comes to calling numbers. So this is what I get them. Do you see? So this thing there I will just get cos 360 minus pi theta. And now this day it's a position on the fourth quadrant. And on the fourth quadrant, it's only cos theta which is positive, then reduce the angle. Just like this then. Then coming from this one there, here I say what? A big angle with a negative. I say a negative there. Do you see? Actually, I say a negative angle, which is also big. But what I need you to understand, guys, if you say a negative angle, just add 360. Even if it's big, but the moment it's negative, add 360. Then if it is positive, subtract that big angle with 360. So if there I can add 360, you will see what I will get them. Okay, I think here I will add 360 twice, guys, here. Because you'll see, the moment I add 360, let me add that 360. If I can add 360 there, I will still get a what? A negative angle there. So it means here, I will add that 360, I will end up getting theta negative 180. I think it's supposed to be negative 180 if I'm not lying. So let me just add this thing. So here it's supposed to be 0, 0. Yeah, I knew it. Here it's supposed to be 180. So the moment now I get that 180 like that, I can even add another 360 again from this 180. From that 180, because that 180, guys, it's negative 180. Meaning they're just negative 180 plus 360. So it simply says there I will end up getting theta minus pi or plus 180. Then close brackets now. That's done. So after doing that, guys, here I can just do what? I can just rearrange this thing there in order. Meaning that I'll start with 180, then say plus theta. Then at the end, this thing there, it's a position. Don't forget, it's on the third quadrant. Meaning at the end, I is supposed to get what? Positive tan theta. Do you see? So this question, guys, it's supposed to be a question like this, by the way. Do you see? Yeah. Because I don't have enough space, then you can just screenshot. When you say negative angle, just add 360. But when you see a big angle, just subtract 360. Yeah. So thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies.